How many days in a week? Oh, wow. You still remember? You're a clever girl. You're a very clever girl.
I'm the best.
You're the best. Very humble na. Very humble. Ayaw ka ba?
I'm the best child. I can start biking.
Say morning, baby Celine.
Good morning, ready.
When I get vaccinated, we're done.
Good morning, everyone. Oh. Kanina pa ito siya nagising, guys. Nagdede. And then, tulog ulit. Nandito siya sa kanyang, bassinet. Leave me alone, mommy. Leave me alone. I wanna rest. Tapos, yung isa ay nandito. Kakagising lang nito. Put the heart on the tummy. I don't think you can do that, anak. Okay?
This.
Say good morning sa tita and tito.
Good morning
Welcome back.
to our channel.
Did you just wake up? Late na kasi itong natulog kagabi, kaya late na rin nagising. Oh, oh yeah, I think you can put it there now. Ito yung laruan. Tell tita about your toy na. Who bought you this?
Daddy.
Daddy. Ano? Sud mo na.
Right.
There you go.
I just remember once. Look, here.
Here. It's very hard, man. That's fine. That will do. What color is this, Nat?
Hot pink.
Hot pink. Good job.
Bye.
Good job. So, nag-ready lang ako ng makakain, guys. For breakfast. Kasi aalis tayo shortly. Si Daddy Mike, meron siyang appointment today para sa kanyang COVID vaccination. Pfizer. Ayan. So, Daddy Mike will do his first dose today. So, ida-drive namin siya papunta doon. Yung drive is around, naman siguro, 25 to 30 minutes. And, yeah, sasama kaming lahat, of course. Alang maiwan. Nak, you wanna stay here, Nak? You wanna stay here? Or do you wanna come with Mommy and Daddy and Baby Celine? So, naka-ready na ang ating gamit. Ayan. Back to tayo ngayon, guys. Like, back to one. Yung nag-carry ka ng mga extra clothes. So, just made toast for Paris. Croissant toast na nasunog. Uy, kainit. There you go. Again. So, that's for our baby girl. I've got strawberry as well. And for me, nakalimutan ko, guys. Meron pa pala akong cassava cake from Ate Richelle. Tingnan nyo. So, I cut a part of it. Ayan. Tapos, initin ko. Nakalimutan ko meron palang ganyan. Binigay niya sa akin yan. Thank you, te. Sarap-sarap niya. And then, yeah. I don't think Paris wants butter. Just give this to her. Anak. Baba. Breakfast. Oh.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sweetheart. You're welcome. You eat, okay? So we can get ready.
Where?
We're gonna get in the car.
Where are we going to go?
Where
are we going to go?
We're gonna go. Daddy's gonna get his needle.
Yes, I wanna go. I'm just going to the shop only.
Yeah. We're gonna go see Tita Jamie first. We'll get coffee.
Yeah, I want small cup of coffee.
Yung coffee. Tingnan niyo si batang bulilit doon na hindi klaro. Dito nakatingin. Sa isip niya, kain-kain kayo dyan na.
I wanna go into school.
No.
Because I'm a little bit scared.
Scared of what?
school.
Why are you scared of school? Why are you scared of school?
Cause Mary's gonna be there. Or
Who?
I'm not gonna be present when Mary's in school.
Yeah, Mary's there waiting for you. But you're not going until tomorrow. Because today is Monday.
Yeah, to go to the shops.
That's right. How many days in a week? Oh, wow. You still remember? You're a clever girl. You're a very clever girl.
I'm the best.
You're the best. Very humble na. Very humble ka. Ayaw ka ba?
I'm the best child.
You're best child. You're the best child. What number do you call when you have an emergency?
0, 0, 0.
Yay! Great job. It's good that Paris got a really good memory, guys. Kasi sobrang, medyo matagal ko nang hindi na itanong sa kanya yung mga tanong na yan. And she still remembers. Initin ko muna ang aking, para si mamay ay makakain din. Naghilamos lang ako. And I can't be bothered putting anything at the moment, guys. Kasi parang feel ko na nagra-rush ako. Yes, anak? She's awake? Oh, play with her then. So she doesn't cry. Let's see if she's awake. Hey, are you awake, Baba? It's very dark.
It's white.
Is she awake, anak?
I can start biking.
Say morning, baby Celine.
Good morning, wakey wakey.
Wakey, wakey.
You gotta take Daddy to the hospital.
She's having breakfast, Bob.
Oh, I gotta get her out of the morning.
Dad, you go
Hello.
to the boy doctor's.
Yeah, I gotta get her.
Hello. Good morning, my love. Oh, boop, 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 boop. Kaya short na yung ano niya, ha? Yung kanyang, ang tawag dito, nails. But that's okay. See? Wala mang kalmot ang kanyang face. Knock na. Ayan. Kasi ito siyang ito siya. Pwede naman to siyang gawing mittens. So, ginagawa ko mittens minsan. But, gusto kong ilabas yung kamay din niya para kaano siya ng sense of touch. Knock na. Sense of touch na. How was your sleep, baby girl? Yeah. She has been really good, nak na. Ayush! And Ate Paris as well. You've been really good, Baba. You've been really good, Baba. Sparkly. Do you want to put that in your hair? Ayush! Okay, Mama's gonna eat now. Because we're gonna go soon. Gonna go soon.
A few moments later.
Here.
Do you want to close it?
Yeah.
That's Ate Paris' outfit. Show me your outfit, me. Wow, naka-Botswana. Bring that one to Daddy. The blanket, the pink blanket.
Nah, it looks good like that.
It looks good like that.
Come on, let's go, cutie.
It looks so beautiful.
Yeah, Bobby.
Bring your water, Barbie. Barbie girl, your water.
Give Bobby water.
It's gonna be mommy water.
Good job. Daddy, you just left my bag. Yan na, guys. We are going. Say tita and tito. Tita and tito. Alis na kami, guys. Kasi 11:40 yung appointment ni Daddy Mike. And it's now 11:10. So, yeah. Vlog pa more. Nak. Kanak be? Vlog pa more, mami.
A few moments later.
Hello guys! Time check tayo. It's now 12:08 ng tanghali. And kakapark lang namin dito. So we just dropped Daddy Mike, guys. Kasi nga, as mentioned before, he's going to get his first dose of Pfizer na vaccine. So, ayun. And then now, me, and itong dalawang prinsesang ito, hindi ko alam kung saan kami pupunta. Hindi ko alam kung saan kami pupunta kasi I know for sure, itong maliit ay iiyak very soon. Especially pag nakastop kami, guys. Umiiyak yan siya. But she's sleeping at the moment. So, hindi niya napapansin. So, Daddy Mike is actually very excited for his first dose, guys. Unlike me. Kasi, I don't know, maybe because I read a lot of parang articles, yung mga posts sa social media, yung mga ganun, yung mga negative stories ba. So, hindi siya nawawala sa isipan ko, guys. And to be honest, I am very scared. I'm super scared kasi nga, diba, yung mga horror stories na nababasa mo, parang hindi mo maiwasang mai-apply. Alam niyo yun. And nung first time na sinabi ni Daddy Mike sa akin na he's going to take the vaccination na daw, sobrang kinabahan ako. I don't know. Basta, yun nga, kasi nga, diba, yung influence talaga ng social media is really big, guys. And, you know, you will hear good things and bad things. And then, ako kasi na pagkatao, guys, I am positive, right? Like, I'm optimistic. But, I don't know. I don't know why in this one, I just feel so, scared. But, so andun na si Daddy Mike. Pumunta siya ng doktor namin kahapon para kumuha ng referral kasi kailangan ng referral for this vaccination. And then nung nandun siya, tinawagan niya ako, sabi niya na they're taking appointments na daw doon sa doktor namin, and the earliest is not until October. So yeah, I know, sobrang dami talaga, guys, kailangan anuhan ng vaccine. So yung para sa akin, nagkuha si Daddy Mike ng appointment ko, and not until October. And sabi ko, pag-iisipan ko, I don't know, what do you think about it, guys? Like, let me know in the comment section below kung nakapa-vaccine na ba kayo, and how you felt after it, and would you recommend it? I know it's compulsory, guys. I think like here in Australia, kasi sinasabi nila, pag dumating daw ng 70 or 80% ng population ang anuhan ng vaccine, parang i-open daw nila, parang, you know, let's move on from the virus and let's just get on with life. Alam niyo yun, kapag na-vaccine na yung most of the population. But yeah, I don't know at the moment kasi hindi talaga ako nagbabasa, guys. Hindi ko alam kung ilang percent na. But Daddy Mike is actually, you know, telling me na it feels daw na pag nagpa-vaccine siya, it's one person close to normal life again. Kasi obviously lahat naman tayo nami-miss yung normal life, diba? Sabi ko nga kay Daddy Mike kanina while I was driving na kung wala lang sanang COVID ngayon, we could have done a lot of things with the kids, you know. But now, kami nga, lockdown nga kami until September 2. And we're not even sure kung hindi nila i-extend yan or whatever, kasi before 1 week lang, tapos nag-add sila ng 1 week and then another 2 weeks ngayon. So, wala na talaga, like hindi na ako nag-iisip guys, so kung lockdown or whatever, kasi parang the same na lang naman. But hopefully, you know, this vaccination, it will help. Kasi sabi ni Daddy Mike, sa UK daw, UK, America, or kalimutan ko. So they vaccinated na daw. So they don't care about the numbers of cases anymore. So as long as they know they're vaccinated, back to normal na daw sila, guys. Like they opened everything because the virus is going to stay here forever, I'd say. Right? Parang magiging part na siya ng mundo. And that's why the vaccine is here para ang tawag dito, para matulungan tayo, parang flu na vaccine na ganun, para maiwasang magka-flu, magpa-vaccine, ganun. Yeah, for me, not until October yung sa akin, guys. But still, still, nandun pa rin yung takot sa puso ko. Kasi natakot ako, naiisip ko yung mga horrible stories na nababasa ko guys sa Facebook. What can we do, right? Like, if it's going to make life, you know, bring life back to normal, then, yeah, we should all get vaccinated. But yeah, let me know in the comment section below, guys, what's your thoughts about this vaccine. Because, yeah, I'm scared. I'm still scared. So here's the little one. Hello, honey. What are you doing?
Watching.
Hmm? You're watching? And then can you see our baby girl there? She's sleeping. Are we gonna make a move before she wakes up? Kasi iiyak yan dito sa sasakyan. And we've been, I think I mentioned ko sa inyo before, we've been trying to be good with Paris's food. Kasi Paris has been really, really good girl with her food for the last week. Nak, no? You've been eating nice food, Nak? Healthy? Yeah, have a look at your paa, oh. Ban majurit. Magban majurit. But now, since wala kaming ibang mapuntahan, guys, and ayokong mabagot si Paris dito sa loob ng sasakyan, so as Baby Celine, sabi ko, punta na lang kami ng ano, mag-drive-thru kami ng McDonald's and we'll have some chips. I'm sorry, Daddy Mike. Kasi Daddy Mike, like, no, you know, ano natin na kakain si Paris ng good food. But ngayon lang naman para masave ang life ng mami nyo dito. Sayang. Ashush to, na. Gayok na. Alright, guys, we'll see you again later, ha? So, andyan pala si Daddy nagpunta, guys. So, dyan. Malaki kasi itong, ano na to, guys? Hospital yata? Yeah, I think it's hospital. Dyan. Sobrang laki. Muntik pa kaming naligaw kanina kasi sa sobrang laki, hindi namin alam kung saan talaga pupunta. This is the main road. Ayan. Kita ba? Nakapag-order na tayo ng McDonald's, guys. Ayan. Gigising na yata ang isa. Nag-stop ako para ibigay ito kay Paris sa likuran. And habang hindi pa umiiyak ang ating Baby Celine, kain muna. Ayan. So we got chips. Hala, very hot naman na. Very hot. You have to blow, okay? Hindi ko alam kung kailan matatapos Daddy Mike, guys. Kasi I know, my colleagues, pumunta sila, ng vaccine. They waited for more than an hour. Kasi sobrang dami talaga. So, anak. Ayoko kasing bumaba, guys, kasi medyo maambon siya, baka umulan ba. Tapos, alam niyo naman, dalawa na to sila. Medyo mahihirapan na ako pag nilabas ko, tapos biglang uulan. Then I have to rush and all. Kaya dito na lang kami sa sasakyan. So, while hindi pa umiiyak ang isa, kain muna kami. And then, we'll go for, drive around na lang. Oh. Huh? What is that? That's okay. Ano ba ito? Arte man siya. Ay, naday burnt. Naday itong sure na ito. Kaon may dukot na. Cheeseburger pala yung in-order ko, guys. And then I got some chicken nuggets. Chicken nuggets for Baby Paris. We'll just have to clean the car na. Make sure you don't make a mess, ha? Buti na to si Ate Paris kasi nakakaintindi na. So, pag sinabihan mo ng, don't cry, ganyan, okay. Parang naano mo. Pero yung isa, wala pang alam. Iiyak yun kung kailan niya gusto umiyak. Yes na. Yeah, just make sure you blow, please, honey. And then, I've got apple pie. Para sa ating, Dessert. What are you gonna do with the dessert?
This is number 3.
Number 3. That's right. Same as your age. How old are you?
3. Oh,
3 years old.
that's why this 3.
That's right. Thank you so.
1, 3, 2, 3, 3.
Gigising yan siya kapag nagutom. It will be very soon. Anak, did you blow?
Yeah.
Sabi niya, is daddy finished yet, mommy?
Now,
Not yet, yeah?
okay.
What happened?
Hold this.
Blow?
Hold it.
Okay.
Hold the bag.
Please?
Please.
Don't make a lot of noise, nak kay babysit.
I hold it back.
Just make sure you blow because it's hot.
A few moments later.
Hi guys! Time check tayo. It's now 6:20 ng gabi and ngayon lang ako ulit nakapag-vlog. Pasensya na. Nung nakauwi kami dito sa bahay, umupo ako sa couch. Tapos pinadedicate ko si baby girl natin. And I felt so sleepy guys and tired. Kaya nakatulog ako at ngayon lang ako nagising. Paglabas ko dito, ito yung nakita ko. Ito yung gymnast, oh. Sabi niya kaagad sa akin, "Did you have a good sleep, mommy?" Tapos, ito, ang ating daddy, nakatulog pala. Natulog na, upo. Then, ito, nakadate na naman yan siya, kaya groggy na naman. Yan. Honey, Paris. Paris. What did you do while Mama was sleeping? Can you turn it off quickly? I'll talk to you. What did you do when Mama was sleeping?
I gave you popcorn.
Natutulog ako guys, tapos binigyan niya ako ng popcorn while I was sleeping. Sit down sa here, babe. Come here.
I can't. Just
Come on, you're a big girl. Ang ating vaccinated boy, oh. Tulog. Ah. Come on, come on, get up. Wait, wheel. Wait, wheel. Wow, legs. Libo-libong kageds. You have kageds, huh?
Mama, you can see what I that.
Okay, come. Come. Give me a kiss and I'll give it to you. Come, Karo. Come on, Karo. So, hindi to siya nag-ano kasi nakatulog to siya kanina eh. Kaya hindi siya natulog. Si Mami at si Baby sila nakatulog na. Ayan. So, ayan siya, oh. Hopefully, hindi yan siya ano guys, no. Hopefully, walang side effect, ganun ba? Pero sabi niya malaki daw yung needle daw na ginamit. Wala naman daw sakit, pero ano daw after sore. Ganun. So, hopefully, walang ano yan sa kanya. Takot pa rin si mami niyo, guys. Takot pa rin. Wala, ang aking book, hindi ko pa nga nasuklay. And I'll make you the cereal, ha? I'll make you cereal. Say, yes, please, mommy.
Yes, please, Mom.
How do you feel?
Yeah, I don't know if my arm's a little bit sore.
Okay. Which one? Was it the right or the left?
The left with the cutters.
Yeah. But you feel like a good man for
Yeah,
getting the vaccine?
Yeah, helping Australia get on the move.
He's
doing my part.
yeah.
And for all of you guys who haven't had a vaccine yet, get vaccinated.
Yeah, super proud guys na nag-ano siya ng vaccine. Kaya nga siya yung nagkuha ng appointment ko for October 13 yung sa akin. Tapos his second dose would be on the 4th of October.
Yes.
So by the time na fully vaccinated na siya, hindi pa ako vaccinated.
If you not get vaccinated, we're done.
So naghihintay lang kami ng guys, ng dinner namin. Nag-order si Daddy Mike online kasi mga ang tawag dito, mga tired ng mga tao dito sa bahay. Natatawa ako guys kasi every time na hindi ako mag-vlog, doon kami nagluluto. Tapos pag nag-vlog kami, doon kami nag-order online kasi hindi kami nakakapagluto. Very tiring this way.
What time?
Huh?
What's time?
Tiring. Life is tiring. Yeah. Other than that, you don't feel anything else?
Nah, just a bit of a sore arm.
That's it?
Yeah, just a bit of a sore arm. That's about it. No sickness, no fever.
Fingers crossed. When you wake up tomorrow.
Yeah. When I wake up tomorrow, I'll be happy that I'm still vaccinated. And we'll be one step closer to the 70% that we need to get our lives back.
Yeah. This is crazy, guys. Like, you can't do anything. Everything's closed.
Except for my heart.
Huh?
Except for my heart.
Yeah, your heart's always open, Daddy.
You've got a annual pass.
It's forever peace.
And oh yeah, no, it's annual, and then it's under review.
Shut up. Are you eating na?
Did you have good sleep?
Yeah. Yeah, I feel good actually after that sleep.
Was Celine sleeping?
Yeah, she was sleeping the whole time. That's why I only woke up because baby Celine woke up. What did you order, Daddy?
Calamaris. That's what you like to eat, isn't it?
Yeah. Honey, do you like calamari na? Psst! Paris, ko. Oh, kakaroon. Anak! Shh, how I can see you. Baba! Turn around! Turn around! Look at me! Look at me! Ay, bungol. Bungol. Do you like calamari? The circle one? Yeah. You said you're gonna eat it.
No.
You wasted it then. Sayang kayo, nak. You put milk pa naman, nak. What did you ask if you're not gonna eat it?
One clean one.
You want clean ones. You're the one who asked for milk.
No, I don't want milk. I like clean ones.
Your nose is here.
No, that's
You don't have nose anymore.
right?
Oh my god.
One clean.
Daddy, she's got no nose anymore.
Where's your nose, Paris? I can't see it.
My turn is around. Oh no.
You have a nose.
I have a nose still.
You have a nose. Babe, show me.
Why?
Nah, why you're so beautiful now?
Because you like mine.
Huh?
Mommy.
What did you say?
I like
Oh, look like mommy.
Show Daddy, I just want to see if Tito's coming soon.
Show Daddy.
Okay,
Show Daddy,
but
please. Don't be naughty, girl. Come on.
Tito's coming. We need to see where he is. No, twice. Yeah.
can't cry, but maybe Celine gonna wake up.
With Tim Watson and Tim, our Victorian clubs are facing plenty of hurdles ahead of the final.
Ulit, kada mo.
has briefed the clubs
Kada mo lang siya mo. Tigulang ka nga bata.
No, it's not. It's yeah.
So, ano yan? Go, the front door.
Yeah.
Go, get it. The front.
Paris, come.
You get the canaries.
Go sit down.
Yes, what's this for?
That's for mommy. Do you want some? I'll give you some when it's cold. Careful when you get up there, okay? Careful. Kasi ayaw niya mapatulong, guys. Just siya lang.
Now, where's the canaries?
Yeah, Daddy will give you the calamaris. This is what Daddy. Go. Ah, ano ito? Sweet potato ba yan? May nagkikitoy-kitoy na doon.
Let's move the canaries now and make it have holes. Huh? This is how different.
Hello. Hello. Are you a big girl? Josh? Is Josh hungry again? Are you my big girl naman ng palanggo? Oh, woo. Oh, such a big yawn from this little girl. Big yawn from a little girl. Give mama a smile, babe. Give mama a smile. Oh, I didn't say cry. I said give mama a smile. Oh, enggak sa mama. Shush. Oh, ngita nagdidi, oh. Ngita nagdidi ang bata, oh. Shush ka, lo. Ay. Are you a daddy? Daddy?
I'm a dilf.
Tingnan niyo sila, guys, oh.
The ladies, man.
Kasi naglilinis ako ng kwarto ba? Para ma-ready na to sila. Honey, wave here.
Ladies, man.
Wave here.
Do you love your daddy?
Do you love daddy? Are you sure? You can change your mind.
Say, Paris. Tell Tita you just want to be a good girl.
I want to be a good girl.
Hmm?
I want to be a good girl.
Just wanna be a good girl. It's now 8:30 ng gabi. Mga pips, nanonood si Daddy Mike ng The Voice. And yeah, we might just end the vlog here now para ma-ready ko na to sila. So ito, bihisan pa to. Normally, ang tatay niya yung nagbibihis sa kanya. Tapos ako dun sa maliit. Nakno? So say bye now?
And instead of doing a shout out tonight, we'll just do a shout out to the whole of the Philippines. Shout out Philippines.
Shout out. That is not only in the Philippines, you know.
Shout out global.
Like,
Shout out worldwide.
yeah, worldwide. They're from USA, Saudi Arabia, everywhere. Japan. So yeah, thank you everyone. Thank you very much for watching our videos. Kasi, as mentioned all the time, yung mga comments and yung mga likes niyo yung nakakapag-motivate sa amin na keep going sa pagbablog. Thank you very much for always watching our vlogs. And next time tayo mag-shout out, guys, ha? But that's about it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Honey, thumbs up. if you like it, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family, and we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Bye-bye. Careful, bye.
careful, bye nga nga best. Ay, careful na. Kasi baby Celine.
Get it?
Sige.